know if you can hear me right now. Can you guys hear me? If you can hear me, please say hi. I never knew you were not hearing me in that my first live. Please please join. I really want to do this live tonight.
I wanted to see if it's
okay. Should I remove that?
No, like there's a place that they put mute. So I wanted to like tap on it and tap it.
Hey.
Speech on.
Please let me hear.
No, like
Microphone unmuted. Button. Microphone unmuted.
is unmuted now. Okay.
It's unmuted now.
Nobody.
Switch camera. Button.
Sorry guys. I said I enjoyed myself today. One of my colleagues in the office, the daughter, did her induction today. The daughter just graduates from medical school. This is say hi.
Hi.
You are just looking at them and they are looking at you.
My face is not even showing.
It's not showing.
No. No, I'm not showing.
Why not? Okay, but how many is watching now? How many is watching?
One person now.
Can you hear me, please? Tell me if you can hear me now, please.
This is nice.
Okay, you can hear me, right? Thank you.
No,
thank you.
nice. I don't know if I can hear.
Please tell me if you can hear me. Just say yes, you can hear me, because my first live video.
WhatsApp now. Tilda Enoch Ugu relieved face. Southeast V. Iron Fred. Speech off.
Nobody was hearing me on that first live. Okay, thank you for acknowledging that. So I said I went for my colleague's daughter's induction today. In fact, I enjoyed myself. Trust me when I tell you that I enjoyed myself. I ate, I drank, I danced. Listen, what you don't want to show your face. She's shy. She don't want to show her face.
Sat down.
Come now. I'm telling you what they're saying. Sorry.
No, don't worry. I'm telling you.
Okay. So don't worry. She said she don't want to show now. But I'm sure, very much sure that she will show soon.
Anticipate.
So okay, you're anticipating. Abby, I should anticipate.
They should anticipate.
Okay, you guys should anticipate. Okay, so the induction was really nice. Yes. She's now the medical doctor.
Where are you from?
I'm from Enugu State. I'm in Enugu State. That's where we did that. So where are you from? What's the name?
I don't know.
Where are you from? Please
20 people.
tell me where you guys are watching me from. I need to know. Yes, you know I'm watching from Enugu State. Where are you watching me from? 20 people watching. Hi. 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 Where are you watching me from? I'm right now in Enugu State. Coal City. Obodo ọkụ na-ewu n'enu. Obodo dị ka achọ. Obodo ife niile na-eme. Ka anyị jebe n'Enugu. Ka anyị jebe Enugu. Ebe ife niile na-eme. I know some people will be like, what is she speaking? What is she saying? Yes, I'm speaking my language now. I'm speaking Igbo language. Yes, go ahead and watch the videos. I uploaded some shorts about today's event. I uploaded them, so go and watch them. I'll still upload some other videos, yes, from the event. Okay. The auntie I'm talking about is my colleague in the office, and the daughter. That's the daughter we did her induction today, because she just graduated from medical school. So I'm happy, like I'm super happy. I'm excited, and I'm very much exhausted because I've been dancing throughout today, creating content just to make you guys happy, just to keep you guys busy. Am I not trying? Give me kudos now. Give me kudos. Give me kudos. Thank you.
Yeah.
Right.
Hello. Hi.
Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? Hello. How are you? How are you today? Tell me where you're watching me from. I'm here. I can see your hello Hello, hi. Yeah, I'm watching from Enugu State. So I'm creating content, all these videos just to make you guys happy. And for you to make me happy back, you need to follow my channel. Click the subscribe button to follow this family. And also share my videos. Yeah, very importantly. Or very important, whichever one. I'm even tired. I don't even know what I'm speaking again. You guys should pardon me, please. Pardon me, guys. You know I love you guys so much, right? And if you're just seeing me for the very first time, my name is Onyi. And here we learn Igbo language, their culture, their tradition, their history, their foods, their music, everything you can think about Igbo language. That is what we do here. And I'm still coming up for you guys. I have a lot of package for you. A lot. So if you have not started following this channel, you are missing a lot. You are missing so much, because I have a lot of ideas, a lot of things to upload for you guys, to show you guys. In subsequent time, you'll be seeing more of okay, don't worry, let me not tell you. If I tell you now, it will not be, it will not be new to you again. It will be a surprise. So make sure to follow this channel, subscribe, and share this video. Share my videos. I uploaded a video yesterday, shorts and easy phrases you can use every day. Just go through my channel, or my videos rather, go through my contents, and then you will see that particular video, and watch other videos too. Watch other videos too, okay? And please make sure to be liking any video you watch, because liking my videos help my videos to go viral. Yes, that's just the truth. That's just the power of liking any video you click on. It makes YouTube to recognize that video, the algorithm to, share it round, because YouTube will be like, oh, people are liking this video, people like this video, wow, 30 likes, 40 likes, 50 likes, and they will keep pushing that video round. That is why you have to be liking any video you open, please. That's how to support what I'm doing, because me, I'm also helping you to be part of this culture, or this tradition called, this tribe called Igbo. Igbo tribe. Igbo people, they are lovely people, fun to be with. So if you've not, if you've not been to Igbo land and you are planning to be, don't worry, just come. You'll be much welcome. We don't beat people, we don't chase people away. We accommodate people. Yes, you will love our tradition when you come. We welcome people, because we have a loving heart. Do you understand? I'm not saying it to boast or to but I'm proud of my language. Trust me, I'm proud of my tribe, because we are very good people. So make sure to follow this channel, and please share my videos, okay? Listen.
It's just still hello and hi.
Yes, hello and hi. Tell me where you are watching from. I need to know. You know I'm already in Enugu State, right? I'm doing this video from Enugu. So where are you watching me from? We need to be interacting. We need to converse. So, and from your replies or your comments, I will know what to tell you. Excuse me. So today has really been a very, sweet day and busy day, because of the party. You understand? So the party went so well. I've seen some comments on the party shots I uploaded. People congratulating that auntie's daughter, and liking the videos as well. So I'm seeing all your comments and all your support. Trust me, we are close to 1,000, and with your support, let's put our hands, join our hands together and push this channel to get to 1,000 before December. I really want us to reach 1,000 or even beyond this December. We need to. And it's with you guys' support. We need to join hands together and push it. Share any video you watch, like it. Of course, you can comment or ask any question or make your request, video request. Okay? And turn on your bell icon, because if you do not, if you didn't turn on your bell icon, sometimes if I upload a video, you might not receive notification. But if you turn it on, whenever I upload a video, YouTube must notify you that Onyi has uploaded a new video. So just like the one I uploaded yesterday, I don't know if you received the notification. Did you? If you got the notification, type in the comments. Tell me yes, you received notification. I'm waiting. Did you receive notification? Okay. Did you receive notification? The video I uploaded yesterday. So if you on it, you always receive notification. But if it is off, you will not. They might not notify you. That is just it. So keep following this channel. I have a lot of things I'm preparing for you guys. Okay, I'm preparing a lot for you guys, and you must, or I believe you like the videos I'm preparing for you guys. So feel free to tell me or to make a video request. Okay, shout out to Mr. Solomon Efyong. Shout out to you watching from Cross River. Yes, a big shout out to you, my top fans. Shout out to Chibuzo Bierika. Shout out to Ben Chalice. Shout out to Blessing Kamsiyochukwu Obodo. No. Shout out to you guys. Shout out. I'm giving a shout out to all my top fans. People, I'm always seeing their comments and their commitments. Of course, shout out to all of you watching me and following me. Shout out to is it I've forgotten the name, but you're watching me from US. In fact, I cannot mention all of you's name. But I'm seeing all your comments. Shout out to all of you. All of you watching me, following me. Shout out to Zubi. Shout out to Ebuka, watching from Enugu. Yes. Shout out to my Onyocha. Onyocha, hey, what's that your name again? Oh, hi. My Onyocha woman, married to Enugu man. She has made several requests. She made a request on a video I should do for her. I've created the video already, but I'm yet to upload it. So I give you what you want. When you make video requests, I try my possible best, everything possible to create that video for you, because I want you to be happy. I want to give you what you want. So for you to give me what I want, this is what you will do for me. Share my videos, subscribe, like, and comment. This is what I want. So please give it to me. Give it to me, girl. Give it to me, girl. Okay, no, not just. Oh, is it?
Give it to me, boy.
Give it to me, boy. Is Beyonce in it too?
No, there's no one entry now.
Okay, but how many versions?
7 now.
So that's just it though. Shout out to all of you watching me. Shout out to Peter. Shout out to, hey, I'm trying to remember. My God, I cannot remember all of you's name. Please pardon me. But I see all of you. And I love you guys. I love you all. Trust me. I create all this content with my heart. Yes. Just to bring you in. Just to help you to learn this language and this culture. Shout out to all my beautiful wives. All my beautiful, wives. you know, that like wives married to Igbo land. So a big shout out to, is it Joanna, the Onyocha woman that made a video request? I'm trying to remember your name. Kai, don't worry, I'm going to write a list of names. That is, I'm going to write list, but I need to see your name and where you're watching me from, so that I'm going to give you shout outs. So please, if you want to receive a shout out from me, write in the write your name and your country or your state, so that I'll give you shout outs. Very important, okay? Very, very important. Oh my goodness, I'm so exhausted. I'm very tired. So guys, I have to leave you guys though, because I'm tired. Let me just sleep. I feel like sleeping. But I want to encourage you to watch my videos. I have beautiful videos. I have I uploaded a long video yesterday. Long video of Igbo shorts. Igbo short phrases, simple and short phrases you can use every day. Is here on my channel. So make sure to watch it. Oh, make sure to watch it. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Or n'anya. Eziagụ people will say anya. Anya. But ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Ahụrụ m gị n'anya. Mụ na gị ga-ebi o. I love ka m gị. Mama, mụ na gị ga-ebi o. Have you guys watched that movie? Don't worry, don't worry. I'm going to tell you guys all about that video maybe next time. I'm so tired. I'll be leaving you guys. Just tell me in the comment section your name and where you're watching me from, and if you need a shout out, please don't forget to do it, okay? Ngwanu, Kemesiano, Cardi, I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Take care, guys.
Speech on. Low power 20. Low.